So the next thing to do is for us to test our installation of Go, and you could do this anywhere. You could do this, the best way to do it is at the command line. So you'll have to figure out how to do this if you're running a Windows at the command line. But I'm going to show you how to do it on the Mac, and hopefully you're on the Mac. And if you're in Windows, I'll talk a little bit about a workaround that you could use at the end of this. But this is how you do it on the Mac. So I'm going to launch my terminal. If you don't see your terminal down there, by the way, if you're like totally new to coding and you're like, where's the terminal? Just go right up here and type in terminal and hit enter, and there it is. And so that's my terminal. It's running. And I could see where I'm at by typing pwd, and I'm in users Todd McLeod. And so I just want to show you where that corresponds to. I come over here to the Finder, and that's what it corresponds to. And so we'll see the file I create right here in just a moment. So I'm going to create a file, and I'm going to use a text editor called Pico, and I could call this file anything I want. I think here in the instructions it says call it Hello Go. So I'll call it Hello Go, but it could be any name you want. And when I do that, it launches a text editor. And now I've copied this right here already into memory. So I'm just going to paste it by holding down Command and pressing V. And so I just pasted in that code so I don't have to retype it. And then the next option is right here. It says to exit, Control X. And it says, do you want to save? And I just type in yes, and it doesn't have to be capital. And it says, do you want to save it to that file, Hello Go? And I hit enter. And it takes me back to my terminal. If I go back to Finder here and I look, I should have Hello Go. And so there it is right there. And I just created that file. So I'm back in my terminal. I'll come back here to the instructions so we can see that. Bam! I'm back in my terminal. And now it just says, let's run it. And so I'm going to do go run Hello Go. And boom! Isn't that awesome? My code's working. And so that's it. You're up and running. You got Go going. And the next one, we're going to look at setting up your work environment and talk about some path variables and things like that. And let's do that right now.